So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to turn on tracking on the Pages iPhone application. So for example, if I were to search up tracking right here, it doesn't actually mean it's tracking. Now, if you want to go ahead and do this, go to the top right and press on the three dots. Once we're here, I want you guys to scroll down to a bunch of different options right here to where it says change tracking. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and turn tracking on. Now once you're here, you can see the markup with deletions and final. So if you wanted to go ahead and do tracking file, and then you want to delete it, whatever the case may be, go down to whatever, right? If you want to just do that, just like that, then press on OK. You have now sort of tracked your file, and if you want to go ahead and if you were to go down here to where it says added tracking, you can accept, you can reject, do what you got to do. So if you were to go ahead and accept right here, it'll now approve the tracking that is made. And if you want to turn it off, go to the top right, scroll down to where it says change tracking, uncheck it, press OK, and then you're good to go that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to turn on tracking on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.